Harbin Airport in winter. In China, Harbin Airport. Our third or fourth change of plans for this holiday. We are now flying back to Beijing. Base Apartments Wangfujing. That's the entrance. We're in number 827. Walk in and sink. A
kitchen light. You need a light.
What do you call it? That may be the only light we get. Anyway, I think you can see it. So it's a pot with water. What do they call it? Induction top. That's what I was trying to think. And a toaster, I assume, and a jug, and nothing. Washing machine. And I presume dryer, nothing.
Plates,
Plates, mugs, cups,
cutlery
for two. Nothing.
The fridge?
Microwave.
This must be a little fridge.
Fridge. Nothing to cook in. Okay.
This is the one with the kitchen, yeah.
Yeah, it's a kitchen downstairs, actually. Okay. Bathroom, toilet paper. Nice. It's a very nice big shower. Look. Yeah, it looks a little bit of mould, but it's not the worst we've ever had. Towels, toilet. Okay. Then we go into the wardrobe here. There's shelves in there, and little wardrobe around here, hangers, and safe and slippers, TV. Oh, this must be a thing because that was in the I don't know, probably games or something. Because it was in the other hotel. Oh, well, I can actually get. Don't know whether I can plug anything. That's just USB port. Oh, I can't. You never have one that you can plug your HDMI into. So huge bed. That's not a double. That's a king. It's a big king, isn't it? Plenty of room there.
The nimbless goes in this side. There's nowhere to get.
Well, you'll obviously have to have that one. I'll have to. And a view of. I can't really see much from up
Is it
here.
a straight drop down there? Or
Yes.
I haven't got a balcony.
Window that opens a little bit with the fly screen, but you can't get your head out. And
Go straight down.
the camera won't see anything anyway. But yes, it's a straight drop.
There's one curvy roof.
And we are very much in a Hutong. I think we came in down there, but it might have been, I haven't got my directions. But it's very, very tiny laneway to come in. But anyway, very nice, apart from the fact that you've got a stove with nothing to cook on. Okay, so this is the outside of our block. I'm not sure how much will show. Very modern building. We're on the 8th floor, which is right up to the very top. What?
What's the name of the shop next door?
G'day, G'day, Coffee and Barber. Look at that. And this is our street, which is a Hutong, and probably won't see very much. But it is opposite us are the all looks like it's still the original Hutongs, and on both sides of us. But and that's it going down. We'll just walk down a bit. Oh, it's cool.
I think I should have put gloves on.
This is, isn't it fun? It's a one-way street going. Oh no, we did come in from that end, didn't we?
Yeah.
Because I was thinking, I was getting my bearings wrong, because I thought all the cars are parked the wrong way. How did they get out? But that, it is.
At least it's straight. Remember in Vietnam you couldn't tell if the car was coming to what was right in front of you.
And all the little Hutongs still as they used to be. I don't know. It doesn't look like they've done any.
Lights looking out.
But it'll look more interesting in the day, I think. And this is the main road at the end of our Hutong at 7:45 in the evening. Yeah. Just a view out of our window, 8th or top floor of the base in Wangfujing. There's all the old Hutongs were in amongst. How they got permission to build this great thing right in here. There's still. That's how they live, in these little courtyards inside the Hutongs. Daytime walking around our area, and there is a. It said we had a gale advisory up till from yesterday up till Friday. We didn't have a gale yesterday. This morning we do, and it's cold. A different cold. That go every time. Today is a different cold because it's a windy cold,
Out of the wind.
as opposed to a minus 20 degree cold. You can see all the little entrances to the Hutongs. We've been in one somewhere once and had lunch 13 years ago, which had an entrance very similar to these, and you went in and wound around down the places. Food delivery here, but you'll see somebody will come out their door. He'll come back. He'll stop at somebody's door. There you go. It's the food delivery robot. And it probably rings them to tell them it's here, you see. So he comes back again, you see. He'll call the lift. It's obviously got a computer program in it. Oh,
I use it.
oh, probably that's good. Oops. Stop. Talks to. he knows what floor we're on. You can watch him and he's telling us which floor we're at too.
Need something to show that we're in the lift.
Oh, yeah. Oh. Well, that's got it. It'll be on video, but I've got to change my battery here. I've just got to change this battery before we go. I just realised.